Good morning children. Welcome to today's EVS class. Today we are going to start our 10th chapter Hututu Hututu. In this class we will learn the importance of games and sports, indoor games and outdoor games, the game Kabaddi and the importance of rules in games. Before starting today's class, let us quickly revise what you know about games and sports. You have already learned in class 3 that the games and sports are very important to keep us fit and healthy, isn't it? And we know some games we play inside our house or building and some play outside our house, isn't it? These all we learned in class 3, isn't it? So, let's check what are indoor games. Games like chess, snake and ladder, badminton, table tennis, boxing, etc. are played in indoor and known as indoor games. Indoor games needs very limited space. We can play it inside our house and in any building. And games like cricket, football and hockey are some examples of outdoor game. These are played outdoor and known as outdoor games. It need a large area of playground. That's why it's called outdoor game. And do you know children, why do we play games? Do you know it? We play games for various reasons, like just for fun and to keep us fit and healthy, and also to represent our school, state or country. So we play the games because of these reasons, just for fun and to keep us fit and healthy and to represent our school, state or country. And now, do you know which is this game? Have you ever heard of this game Kabaddi? Yes, we all know Kabaddi, isn't it? Yes, Kabaddi is known by various names in various places. In southern parts of India, it is known as Chedugudu or Hututu. In eastern parts of India, it is known as Hadudu and Churkitkit. And it is known as Kabaddi in northern India. And what do we call this game? Yes, we call this game Kabaddi. In our area, this game is called Kabaddi. Kabaddi is originally an outdoor game. It does not need any special equipments and can be played any open space. But nowadays, Kabaddi tournaments also played in indoors. And do you know children, Kabaddi is the national sport of Bangladesh. It is also known as Hadudu in Bangladesh. And do you know which is the national game of our India? Yes, it's hockey. So which is our national game? Yes, it's hockey. Children, what do you know about Kabaddi? Let's discuss about Kabaddi in detail. First of all, Kabaddi is played by two teams. Both teams consist of 12 players each. However, only 7 players per team are allowed on the field at one time. So, only 7 players per team are allowed on the field at one time. And how do we play this game? Now let's see how to play Kabaddi. Players from each team take turns running across the center line to the other team side by saying Kabaddi Kabaddi continuously. A player who goes to opposite team court to earn points are called a raider. You can see this is raider. And the players of opposite team who defend the team from raider are called defenders. Okay, these all are defenders. And raider must chant kabaddi kabaddi continuously during a raid. This is a rule of kabaddi. A rider recites kabaddi kabaddi and hold his breath and tries to touch the opponent team members and come back to his own court by touching the center line. If the raiders is able to come back, then the raider team gets 1 point for each member made out. And if all the members are out, they will get 2 additional points. But if the raider is not able to come back to his own court, then the raider team gets the point. So these are the rules in Kabaddi. Okay. And what do you think? Why the rules are important in every games? We all know rules are very important in games. And why? First reason, rules help to play games in a disciplined manner. If there is no rules, there may be chances for quarrels and fights. So it is very important to have rules in games. Okay, then second, we learn the lesson of teamwork and punctuality by following rules. And when we follow the each and every rule of a game, we learn some lessons from it. Lessons like teamwork, punctuality, we learn from these rules. And last point, rules help to make a fair judgment of winner. So rules also helps the judgment. It makes the judgment easy. So what we discussed today is we learned why do we play games. We play games for just for fun, to keep us fit and healthy, and to represent our school, state and country. And there are 2 types of games, indoor games and outdoor games. And the game Kabaddi. We learned how to play Kabaddi. And last we discussed importance of rules in games. We know rules are very important in every game. Without rules, it is very hard to play any game, isn't it? I hope all of you understood. We will see again in the next class. Thank you.